So today I'm going to get this Nutric PowerCon A-type adapter set up. I'm going to get this plug here installed and the Type A power in cable mount connector. I'm going to get that installed and get the wiring for the jack wired up. This is the wiring diagram that we're going to follow. Bought one of these chalk scripts. I'm going to get that connected up to my DC7. Except I bought the Eventide version, which is $2 cheaper and the exact same thing. So I'm going to save the money and install the Eventide version. So we'll start with taking a look at what's inside the box here. I ordered this from Sweetwater. It's the Eventide branded chalk grip. I think they call it the E-grip, Eventide E-grip on Sweetwater. And in the box it comes with the grip itself. It comes with a little bag here, which contains an Allen wrench, and the screws necessary to mount the grip to the DC7, which are these flush mount screws, and the screws necessary to mount it to the Pedaltrain board. These E-grips will probably work on other boards, but they're designed to work on Pedaltrain boards. You can see that the Eventide grip fits the holes exactly. And the Eventide power supply is just a rebranded Chalk's DC7, so it's the same exact device essentially, with a different brand name on it. So I installed the flush mount screws on the DC7, as this will rest against the underbeam of the Pedaltrain. Looks good, fits nice and tight. And I'm going to mount it on my Pedaltrain board right here in the center somewhere. Get the screws installed and get it lined up where I want it. And tighten it down. One last turn, and it's on there pretty good. Looks good. I'm going to remove the Nutric's jack, wire up the cable to the DC7. I want to cut off roughly about 12 inches of cable. remove the jack to get it wired up. Strip back the shielding. So I got the shielding stripped back and removed. I'm going to check to make sure I didn't accidentally cut any of the leads. Wouldn't want to short in the connection. Looks good. I'm going to strip off about 1/4 inch. And get some of these female spade connectors connected to the leads, each of the leads. One for the ground, the line, and the neutral. Gonna get a hole cut in this boot for an 8mm cable. Cut off about 1/4 inch. That'll get me about enough to tight fit over an 8mm cable. There it is. Looks good. Nice tight fit. I'm just going to strip off the rest of the leads and get the spade connectors connected. We should be ready to test it out. Make sure you get it properly lined up, otherwise it won't crimp correctly. So you don't want to crimp it on the side, you want to crimp it on the top and bottom of the spade connector. Looks good. Got my lead. I'm going to connect the quick connects to the jack and reinstall the Nutrix jack. It's kind of a tight fit, but that's a good thing. Make sure to connect the connections properly. There's a marking on the Nutrix connector for line, ground, and neutral. Pull it through. Slip on the boot. Screw it back onto the pedal board. Simple as that. Looks good. It's gonna fit up just like that. I want to check it for continuity. I'm going to use the connector and the lugs on the connector to make sure that it's connected correctly. So slides in and twists. So there are markings on the connector for line, neutral, and ground. I'm just going to ensure continuity and make sure that no connections are bridged. I'm going to work on the locking connector for the power lead. On the btpa.com, on the Bestronix website, you can buy these power leads pre-built, but I have a special use case and I want to build my own. Get the shielding removed. Strip back about 1/4 inch on each lead. Fit the leads through the base of the jack. Then place on the strain relief chuck. In our case, for an 8mm wire, we want to use the white strain relief chuck. Then install the leads to the corresponding connections. It's marked line, neutral, and ground on the power con connector. Get those tightened down. Looks good. Now install the locking mechanism. There is a keyway that you have to look out for in order to be able to slide this in. Make sure to get it lined up. Once it's lined up, you can pull that through, and then again there's a keyway on the strain relief chuck. Push that in. Then screw down the base of the connector to lock the chuck in place for the strain relief. And you're good. Looks good. To use this type of connector, you simply slide it in and twist, and it locks. To unlock it, you pull back on this switch and pull it out. Feels secure, no problems there. Twist in and lock the connector for the power lead, and then check it for continuity. Plug it in and we'll give it our first test here. There we go, everything looks good. All the lights light up as expected, no smoke. Looks good, I'm happy with the outcome. I like the Chalk's grip, the way it works. The PowerCon connector is a nice touch and makes it so you have a secure power connection. Thanks for watching.